Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Problems number 116.
Math Problems 116. So we're still working on solving linear equations and trying to get a little bit more practice in, but
Yeah.
here I've thrown a little challenge in
Yep.
with a fraction.
Mm.
Excited?
Yep.
Excited for the challenge?
Yep.
All right, off you go. We're going to solve this equation. 1/2 times x plus 4 equals 2 times x minus 1. All right, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, what's the first thing you want to do?
Simplify here.
Well, actually, before we talk about that, what's the last thing you want to do? Down at the bottom.
You want to get to x equals something.
X equals something. Okay, so that's what we're trying to get. Let's see if we can get there.
Well, first you have to do the multiplication.
Okay, awesome.
So the one half times x plus 4 is gonna be, I think it's gonna be 1/2 x plus 2.
1/2 x plus 2. Very good. Okay, good job.
And then the other is going to be 2x minus 2.
High five. Good job. Good job. Do you remember what that's called when you multiply a number through inside the parentheses?
I think order of operations.
Yeah, so it's this kind of order of operations called the distributive property. So that's nice. Good job. Good simplifying. 1/2 x plus 2 equals 2x minus 2. Okay, what's next?
You get the variables on one side. So
Okay.
you do minus 2x and minus 2x.
Okay. Ooh, so now we have an interesting challenge. We have 1/2 x minus 2x. Ooh.
I think it's going to be minus 1 1/2 x.
Okay, that's good. What is 1 1/2 as a fraction?
1 1/2 is 3/2.
So we have minus 3/2 x plus 2
Plus 2.
equals minus 2.
Then you have to get rid of the 2, so you do minus 2 on both sides.
Okay, and what do we end up with?
We end up with minus 3/2 x equals minus 4.
Ooh, interesting. Okay.
But what are we going to do with this? We have to get rid of the 3/2.
Yeah, well, remember it's a minus 3/2 actually.
So maybe we could multiply by minus 2/3. It's reciprocal.
Ah, hey, high five. Good job. All right.
So times minus 2/3. Now times minus 2/3.
Okay, awesome. So what do I get when I take minus 3/2 times minus 2/3?
You get, they cancel, you just get 1.
1, so I got my 1x. That's where you were trying to get. And now we just have to do minus 4 times minus 2/3. And then we'll have a number over here. So
And
minus 4 times minus 2/3.
Well, I think it's going to be positive 8/3. Positive 8/3.
Positive 8/3. Now why is it positive?
Because a negative times a negative is a positive.
Okay. And why is it 8/3?
Because 4 is 4 over 1, and then you multiply the top.
Okay, good job. Good job. Hey, that was a great solution. So let's just go real quick since we're probably near our 5-minute limit on the videos. 8/3 plus 4. How many thirds is 4?
4 is 6/3. 6 is it's 6/3.
No, 4 is not 6/3.
It's 12 thirds.
12/3. So 12/3 plus 8/3 is 20/3. So we have 1/2 times 20/3 over there. And we're wondering, does this equal 2 times, what is 8/3 minus 1? Well, how many thirds is 1?
3.
So what is 8/3 minus 3/3?
It's going to be 5/3.
5/3. So we're wondering, does 1/2 times 20/3 equal 2 times 5/3? Well, what's 1/2 times 20/3?
1/2 times 20/3. It's gonna be 26. 26.
26. Okay. And what's 2 times 5/3?
2 times 5/3 is 10 over 3.
Okay, so does 26 equal 10 thirds?
Yeah, it does. You can simplify.
Okay, how do you simplify 26?
You take a 2 out of each, and that becomes 10 thirds.
Good job. Wow, that was a really challenging problem.
And we did it.
And you did it, yeah. That's awesome. Good job, sweetie. That was really good working through that problem.